We do see some near-term downside to some of these stocks, such as Snowflake.
This is a name that's highly shorted by our hedge fund clients. The shorts worked, and ultimately, I'm not suggesting that it's not going to continue to work in the short term. That there is some downside here.
Our concern on Snowflake is that there is a tactically difficult setup and may cut the outlook for revenue for the rest of the year.
Downside scenario, $100 a share. Is that what you're saying?
So Doug, I read a quote that someone said that the pandemic accelerated this cloud adoption or the cloud migration by 10 years.
So what are we talking about in terms of the multiple on revenue, and does it generate earnings?
It doesn't generate earnings yet.
Y'all seen the thumbnail. Y'all heard the analyst. Let me break this down for y'all real quick, man, and then let y'all get to the live playback. But let me make it real easy for y'all. Man, trading is real simple, man. As long as you be disciplined and you stick to your rules and you take your profits like you're supposed to and you don't get greedy. The minute you start to break rules, the minute you start to not stick to your profit targets, the minute you start to, let me see, maybe this, maybe that, that's where you get in trouble. But let me break this thing down for y'all. First thing you want to do, you want to go to the daily chart. On the right side of my screen is the daily chart. As you can see, we pull out our levels. We go to first level. I turn it yellow. The reason I turn it yellow, it let me know it's a daily level. Now, what you want to see, this right here. Look at the support area. And look at the resistance area. So now we got our daily levels. We got our daily levels situated. So when Snowflake coming into the day, we see this. You see this dotted line right here. This was where it closed at, and it gapped down. So automatically we gap down into this area right over here. As you can see, we gap down right into this daily area. So what I'm expecting is a move up. I'm expecting a move up. Let me pull out the 15-minute now chart on the right. I'm expecting a move up, and we reject off this area right here. Let me help y'all out. We reject off this area. The reason why we reject off this area, because yesterday this was the support level. As you can see, this is the previous day. You see the support area, we came down, bounced up, came down again, close to the end of the day, bounced up. So today we gapped down. So now I'm suspecting once we bounce up into this area, it's a rejection. Now let me show you how it played out. Also, let me pull this out for y'all. All right, so remember what I said, this is the levels we looking to reject off of. This was yesterday's support levels. As you can see, sellers came in, buyers bought it up. Sellers came in, buyers bought it up, and we gapped down. So let's do it. Let me show you in real time. Bam! As you can see right here, you see the rejection area. We can put on the 3-minute. That'll make it a little better. You see the rejection area. That's what I was telling y'all. I was waiting for it to come up, and the sellers jump in. I push it down. What you can see, this is where I bought at. 3 right there, 2 right there. First couple of contracts that I bought was on this candle right here. As you can see, it was pushing down, then buyers came and pushed it up. Then immediately we got the next candle. As you can see right here, this is the entry. This is another entry. Once I seen this candle, what did I do? Jump in right there. As you can see, bought some more contracts. My first take profit was VWAP. Well, once we got the VWAP, as you can see, what I did, sold 2 contracts. Now my next 2 was the breakthrough VWAP. What I did, sell another 1 contract. Now the reason I sold, why I took my first profit at VWAP, because as we can see right here, look, VWAP looked like to be an area of support. So I told myself, and then we got this level right here. This is the first pullback. So let me pull it out over. This is the first pullback. So now, once we broke through this, once we got that VWAP with this first area right here, sold the first contract. Now the breakthrough VWAP, sold the next one. Now I'm looking to get my last piece of profit. Well, not my last. I sell another contract in front of this area. I'm looking to get closer right here. But what happened? It didn't go like that. Look, let's back it up. Waiting. Now we got. Look what we got. And once I seen that, what did I do? Exit. Simple as that. Cause I done got 2 take profits off. I'm not holding it back up to here. There's no need for that. I'm looking for either to reject off this area right here, off of VWAP, off of the white line, off of the purple line, and roll back over this way. Simple as that. That's what I'm looking for. Exactly right here what I'm looking for. Once if I'd have got that, I'd have took another piece off, and then I'd hold one, see if I could get some more move. So this is what I was looking for right here. As we can see, I didn't get that. Instead, I got this right here. Once I got that, I got out. And then as you look, I made $210 just that fast. And then it took what, almost 45 minutes just to make 210. I'm done for the day. Now I'm gonna let y'all boys watch it in real live time action so y'all can see how it played out. Bye.